before mid-semester examination, we have already completed 6 experiments. Now we are going to start our 7th experiment, that is to determine surface tension of the given sample solution by drop number method. So the surface tension is basically force in Newton acting at right angle along the surface of liquid on 1 meter length. The unit of the surface tension is Newton per meter in SI system and dyne per centimeter in CGS system. To determine the surface tension, we will use this instrument. This is known as stalagmometer, and we will count the number of drops from this stalagmometer. There are two signs. The first is A and the second is B. Two limits are there. We will count the number of drops of water from the A part to the B part, and then we will calculate the surface tension of the given sample. Here we will use the formula surface tension of sample divided by surface tension of water is equals to number of drops of water divided by number of drops of sample into density of water divided by density of the sample. As we know that surface tension of water is equals to 72.14 dyne per centimeter. So by putting the value of the surface tension of water into this formula, we can easily calculate the surface tension of the given sample. For the observation, this type of observation table will be made. There are 3 readings and we will count the number of drops of water and the number of drops of given liquid 3 times. Then we will take the average number of drops. So I am starting the demo. Here first I will release the pressure from top and then the drop count will start. Now I am going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 61, 62, 63, and this one is 64, and that's it. So the total number of drops of water is 64. Usually the difference in number of drops in different readings is plus minus 1. So we can write 3 different readings. Then we will take the sugar solution, which is sample. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So this one is 61. So the final readings are 64 for water and 61 for sample. The readings, when we take different readings. The readings will be usually plus minus 1. So we can take different readings and then we can calculate. For now, you just take these two readings and put the values into the formula, and then we calculate the surface tension of the sample. So this is all about the calculation or determination of surface tension given sample by using the drop count method.